Hey guys, Gadgetman here with Nothing But Gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions on the Ceyomur CY65 trail camera. And so let's go ahead and show you how you're going to use that. The first thing you're going to need to do is get the manual and go to page 5 and scan the QR code with your Apple or Android smartphone. I have the QR scanner installed on this, so simply point it at that and it reads it. Then we're going to jump and we're going to go to the Play Store and we're going to need to download the Trail Camera Pro app. So go ahead and install that. Okay, so once you've got that installed, we'll go ahead and open that up. You're going to need allow access to files. Now, it's going to ask for Bluetooth. Now, this camera has a Bluetooth function. You can turn it on or off. Turning it on means the Bluetooth will always be active on this device so that you can use it without having to turn it on. That obviously is going to consume more power and reduce your battery life. But let's go ahead and show you how to use that function first. Okay, now if the camera is in the field and it's on and you're actually set it to the on position, okay, let me just go ahead and let you show that it's going to count down to be activated, okay. Alright, so this is like you're walking up to the camera out in the field, you have the Bluetooth on, it's going to say locate Bluetooth, alright, so you're going to hit this right here, Bluetooth on, okay. It wants to know your location. You can or can not allow that depending on your deal, but you can see that it shows the camera right there. Click that and it's going to connect to the Bluetooth of the camera. Okay, now that it's connected to the Bluetooth of the camera, turn Wi-Fi on. We're going to need to turn our Wi-Fi on and then find that network, connect to that. Now we're connected. Alright, now here we go. Now we see the camera's pointing up. It's looking at my studio lights there. There's my hand right here in front of it. Okay. Alright, now. So, in the app, you can either take video. You can record a video right there. It's recording. Or you can press that right there to take a picture. Takes a picture. Now you can look at what pictures are on there. So if you're out in the field, you want to check the camera and without having to take the SD card out, you can actually hit that right there and it's going to show you what's on there. So you can see that there's pictures there. If you want to download them to your phone, you can actually hit that right there. Click on one and download it. It's downloaded to the phone. You want to see what's on your phone, you can go to the local. You can see I've downloaded 2 pictures. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now, if you want to see your videos, hit this little slider button down here, and you can see the videos that are on there. And if you want to download those, you just highlight and check one, and then hit that there, and it will download to your phone like that. Okay. Let's go back. Now, you also can adjust your settings on your camera. Hit that right there. And instead of having to use the menu on the camera, you can adjust all your settings right here just by doing everything right here on your phone, so it's easier to do. Okay? So that's how you access everything, all the functions, the Wi-Fi functions, using the Bluetooth. But what about if you don't want to drain your battery? You want to access it without leaving the Bluetooth on, because actually to turn the Bluetooth on, you have to go through the menu down there. So let's go ahead and move it down to settings, and let's turn the Bluetooth off. Okay, Bluetooth is now off. Alright, so we're going to set it to camera mode, so it's in the field. You want to come up and you want to check the stuff on your phone. How do you turn it on? Okay, so first, let's launch the we're going to launch the app here. Okay. Alright, now, first option is turn Bluetooth on, but you actually can skip that. Alright, now, if it's in the field, you're going to have to open it up and switch it to setting. Switch it down here. Wait for it to turn on. Okay. And then hit this button right here to turn the Wi-Fi on. Now Wi-Fi is on. We'll go to Wi-Fi settings. We'll look for our camera. It should detect it here in a little bit. There it is. Hit that. We're connected to it now. We'll go back. And there we go. So if you just want to walk up the camera and you don't want to touch it and you want to access everything without actually messing with the camera, then you need to leave the Bluetooth on. If you turn it off, you can still do it, but you've got to open it up, move it to setup, and press that to turn the Wi-Fi on. The Bluetooth, all it does is activate the Wi-Fi. It gives you a remote way to turn the Wi-Fi on. The rest of it is performed via Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth cannot access the pictures or anything like that. The only reason for the Bluetooth is to remotely turn the Wi-Fi function on. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.